Alrighty, well, hello, hey, howdy do. What's going on? We got you here at the old 84 Chev. You just heard a little clip of the way this thing sounds currently. I'm done with these mufflers. I'm finished with them. We're gonna fix it up right. Bought me a pair of Flowmaster, these are the Super 40s? Yep, Super 40 series. Aluminized steel. 952 446. It's starting to rain, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that. These should be the same size and offsets and whatnot as the mufflers that are there now, at least lengthwise, and then the offsets. So get rid of those cheap turkey mufflers. We're going to put some good sounding mufflers on this truck. Come on, let go. Brand new, didn't buy them used. Look for them and see it. We're reasonable. People that sell some of this stuff used and they take 10 bucks off the price of it. I'd just rather go buy a new one. Can't lose the good stuff. Go in this box too. Yep, there it is. Alright. If you guys been following this truck for a while, you know that I had a nice muffler on this thing, but it was a single pipe, and I decided to go with long tube headers and wound up put a dual exhaust on it. I like that old muffler, it sounded good. Just decided I wanted to try dual exhaust. These mufflers came with the kit that I bought, and I'm just not pleased with them. I also bought these new clamps. We're going to try them out. Stainless steel. It's starting to hail. So we'll move the camera inside and get the boxes back inside. We'll jump back into this here in a bit. I forgot to turn the camera on, but there's those nice new clamps on. I like them. They step down, so they got a nice positive wrap. And I just use the old impact gun and run them down, so if they leak, we'll tighten them some more. They got nice big bolts on them. I definitely like these. I got some leakage on the Cruise that I might be buying a set of these to swap out. So, very nice. So we'll get underneath and we'll get the front squared away. May have to buy one of the old style clamps to put on the hanger. But we'll have to do that when we get underneath there, because I may have one around here. I'll have to check, but we'll be back in a flash. Alrighty, whew, boy am I out of shape. These torque-type clamps are nice, I like them. I'm going to have to remember them. Note to self, buy these again. They go on so nice. They seem to wrap all the way around. We'll see how they are with leakage. But there's the old mufflers. They were Dynamax. Another note to self, never buy Dynamax mufflers. Was not pleased with how they sounded. So with that being said, let's get you on the tripod. Let's turn the key on this thing and see what it sounds like now. I'm hoping it sounds like Cletus. We'll see. Alrighty, tools are put away. Coverage is cleaned up. Fake plate over the real one there just for shits and giggles. I did go back and torque them. They're supposed to be 45 to 60 foot-pounds. So I went back and one was over torqued, so I backed it off and torqued it properly. So just make sure you read the instructions. I didn't. So let's see what this thing sounds like. That I like. That's deeper than the other mufflers. Oh, yes. That makes me happy. That sounds much better. Now I'm going to go take it for a test drive. I want to hear what it sounds like behind the wheel going down the road. We'll do that in a separate video. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along. Y'all be good. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.